CBI doing their investigations in a good way. CBI officers while arriving in the airport and suspicious man with having a gun. Who's that guy? And skeleton found in the Arabian Sea. Come, let's get into the video. In this case, we are going to discuss about Sushant Singh Rajput death case in full in English. Give me 2 seconds, I'll register my intro. தமிழ் உங்களில் ஒரு சேனலில் இருக்க அனைத்து உள்ளங்களுக்கும் எனது அன்பார்ந்த வணக்கங்கள். எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு பெரிய ஹாய். நான் தான் உங்கள் தமிழழகன் பேசுகிறேன். திஸ் இஸ் தமிழழகன் here. We are going to get into the session. Before that, we should thank few peoples. Kangana ma'am is a Bollywood queen. Now she is having a separate fan base in supporters and us. Payal and Subramanian Swami, Arnab sir and Ankita and some more peoples are there. These peoples are more supportive to us and investigation, CBI, their investigation is going in a good way, and here I'm going to tell you that an Indian common person dead there, and I'm here for raising my voice for an Indian common man as an Indian common man. That's it. And we are going to discuss about the whole thing which I have collected informations and the supporters gave the informations. I'm going to submit my doubts and my collections. We are going to discuss as a friendly conversation. We are going to clarify all the doubts. That's it. And one more thing, all these informations I am regularly sending to the Arnab sir as much as possible, and I'll display the number here. You just take a screenshot and you can also send their numbers, send your informations to that numbers. Investigation, CBI officers, 4 to 5 teams has been separated for this investigation. Like one team going to investigate all the things in the Sushant room, one team in Cooper Hospital, and one team those who are involved in this. Like this, 4 to 5 teams separated and they are doing their work in a good way. This is a positivity of sign. Skeleton was found in the Arabian Sea, and that skeleton belongs to a minor girl. This is recent news came, and yeah, I'll tell you in the last. That skeleton was found out from the seashore to the 15 miles ago. From the seashore, the skeleton was found. CBI. When the CBI arrived in the airport, some suspicious man covered his face by mingling in the media peoples. He is having a gun in a packet that is captured. He is going towards those investigators. Who's that guy? We should know who's that one. And one more thing, CBI investigation is going on, right? In that CBI investigation, one lady is there. That lady's husband belongs to close to Salman Khan and Bollywood. We should not want any officers who's linked with the big parties and these big Bollywood stars. It will be, if this happen, I mean, no connectivity from this, it happen, this investigation will be in a proper manner. This is my opinion. Sandeep Singh had changed the dress on that day of Sushant's death. Okay, while Sandeep Singh and Mitu, Sushant's sister, was available on that day. After taking the dead body, after some times, Sandeep Singh came again to the Sushant's home and changed the dress. This is more evidence. And Sandeep Singh the thumb sign is going viral video in few days. In 3 spots, he has been showing thumbs up through the police, and this is a sign in Cooper hospitals they are doing. And one more thing, Riya Chakrabarti spoken in the mortuary in front of Sushant Singh dead body. Riya is spoken to Sushant Singh dead body. She said, "I'm sorry, Babu." The eyewitness is Surjit Singh, and we should know and we should think that we can believe that Surjit Singh, okay, Surjit Singh or not. We should think about that. We should believe him or not. This is a statement given. By this statement, Arnab sir tweeted one thing, that is, behind every story there is a story. Nation wants to know that story. This is a tweeted by Arnab sir. This is the eyewitness, and there that eyewitness Surjit Singh told that Sushant's dead body, that mark relates to only suicide. Sorry, that mark relates to leads to a murder, not as a suicide. So that mark indicates like that. This eyewitness came from him, but we he can be divert this case like saying like this. We can see investigation is going on. We'll see what happening. Kangana ma'am tweeted, because Riya Chakrabarti was inside the mortuary for 45 minutes and she came out, the video footage is going viral. For that video, Kangana ma'am tweeted, Mumbai police, for God's sake, please don't tell us she was helping. Doctors knows how to use medical equipments. This is a perfect tweet. She tweeted, Deepesh, this is a Sushant servant. Deepesh, before 5 years, he started YouTube channel. But now he is missing in Mumbai and deleted the YouTube channel. Why he deleted the YouTube channel? Why he missing from the Mumbai? He escaped from the Mumbai. Dr. Subramanian Swamy, we all know that Dr. Subramanian Swamy also a support for us. He said Dubai professional killers are paid professional killers are linked with this. By this information, we can investigate and collect the call history, travel history, those all records. If we collected, we can get some clues from this and we can take any step from this. Sandeep Singh leads the main role in this case because he told that past 1 year I'm not contact with Sushant Singh. He did not in contact with Sushant Singh, but what is the purpose? He was there and controlling all the things. He was rolling all the one and directing all the peoples. Moreover, family members not Sushant Singh family members are not allowed to get inside to the body to see Sushant Singh dead body. This was a big chain link is happening here. All are involved. Big parties, politicians, police, etc., etc. All the things are happening here. Our only motive is going to the justice. We should support for justice and we should support now mainly for the CBI investigators. All the informations has been sent to the Arnab sir. We will see what's happening. Disha dead body reached the hospital after 2 days. Those 2 days, Disha's dead body where went? Who took that body? Who investigated this? This information came out through the hospital watchman. When press media people went for the investigation, just to interview him, when watchman cross-checked the registers, they done on that time only watchman came to know that body reached the hospital after 2 days. He was so shocked. Where the body went? If the body went, we think they can be clear and erase all the evidences, and after that the body came into the hospital. Sandeep Singh, Sandeep Singh and Mitu, Sushant's sister. What is the contact on? What is the relationship on that day? They both were in together and speaking, going and coming, handling all the things. Because small doubts, small evidences, all are being to be the big part and support for the justice. And investigators, all investigators are going and asking all the people who are involved in this case, and FIR is registered for the main people who are involved in this case. We should support CBI as much as possible from our side. Many daily are missing from the Sushant home. Maybe in that room, one black t-shirt guy having a bag. Maybe many evidences can be erased by collecting from the bag. And another thing, one guy running through by taking the bag, right? From in that bag can be any evidences maybe there, but in that statement that bag given to the police, but in that statement ambulance driver told that that is a cover to close the body. Those cover was folded, so only it's look like a bag. We don't know which is true, which is false, which is the truth. We should clarify all the things, and we should go and reach all the information to the CBA. They will take care and handle this case. That's it. Yeah, all the CBA, and that is today's session. Sushant's session is over. Yeah, Sushant's session is over now. After this duration, we are going to speak in a normal and general way. Those who are willing can watch, otherwise can skip. And in few days, 2 3 days in between gap, I'll do and post in English videos. Those who didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and give you support. That's more than enough for me, and keep supporting me. And one more thing, one big quotes I have to register here: truth finds the light in spite of all the lies. So soon we will get justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. Our only motive is we should go towards justice. We should not divert anything. More negativities will come to us. We should not stop in any kind of case, any kind of conditions. Our only motive, one Indian common people affected and killed, and he is not alive now. As an Indian, as a common man, we are raising the voice, we are joining the hands. Again, I am telling, our only motive is going towards justice. That's the only motive, and we are here. I'm not only raising my voice, justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. I'm doing and I'm raising my voice for many things. You can cross check my channel and keep supporting me. And if there is any delay of my videos, you can check in my channel community tab. In that column, I'll update many informations. If you are if you want to speak with me in personally, you can contact me in my Instagram ID Tamil Ungalil. This is my Instagram ID and Twitter account Tamil Alagan. And those who are using Telegram, search in that Tamil Ungalil. I'll send more informations in that. And in FB ID also, Facebook ID also, Tamil Ungalil. You can contact me on any time and give me some time. I don't have much time, and I'm having so much of works. I'm restless and tired, and I'm assured that I won't give up until we get justice. I'll keep on raising my voice, and few and more people who came and told me that do a video in English. Sure, I'll continue and doing my video in English. I'm not fluent in English, so kindly adjust this flow in English. These are the informations I can give you, but I can give you more information in English in few days, upcoming days. Sure, love you all for your all valuable and lovable support, and love you always. Keep supporting me, and more to go. We are here to voice out for Sushant Singh Rajput justice. Those who are celebrating today's birthday, wishing you all happy birthday to you all. Stay blessed and do something for future generations to save our future generations. So here all only one thing: we are all Indians. We are all common man. We have the power. The power of common man is we should raise voice for a common man, common Indian. That's it. And love you all. Keep supporting me. This is Ungalil signing off. I'll catch you in my next video. Stay tuned. Tada and bye. Love you all. And Anbeshu.